So I'm in business-to-business vehicle wraps,
Okay, love it.
and most of my warm leads, my incoming leads, are coming from a quote request form on our
Yep,
website. I'm fighting to get a hold of most of these people, honestly.
yep.
And I suspect that the primary reason is that it is a quote request. They're filling out this info thinking it's going to spit out a price. And when they submit it, they're getting an automated email to schedule a call
Yep.
with me. And they're like,
I
type
got
this
you.
amount.
I got this. This is an easy fix for me. This
Let's
is
do it.
easy. Okay. So, hey, Blake, Matt Easton over here with Easton Wraps. Wanted to reach out to you personally to make sure my people got you all the information you needed on your vehicle wrap. This number's my mobile. I walk around with 720-660-3202. Call me absolutely anytime. Okay, what did I just do here? I'm going to it's a magic trick. Ta-da! It worked. They called me back. Here's why. I elevated my credibility and my authority to the top level by saying, hey, Blake, Matt Easton with Easton Vehicle Wraps. I wanted to reach out to you personally. Oh, snap! The owner of the company got involved to make sure my people, maybe you're the only one, I don't care. You still got people, I'm your people, right? My
And
people.
this is still on the first contact, yeah?
Yeah, 100% on the
Okay.
first contact. Here's why. My people got you all the information you needed on the vehicle wrap. Now, if they're pissed off and they just wanted a number, they're still going to call you back because they're going to be like, nobody called me back, right? If they're not pissed off and they just want a number, they're still going to call you back, right? And then when they call you back, hey, I just needed a number on the vehicle. Absolutely, I can help you with that. Which wrap package were you looking to purchase? Well, I don't know. I'll be honest, I don't know either. We have 1,000 different ways we can configure this. What's your biggest reason for wanting to wrap the vehicle, right? See, now we're going into that. What's your biggest reason for wanting to? I want more business. When you say you want more business, where are you at in terms of top line revenue right now?
Well,
Where do you want to be?
It's worse than that. They just say, well, marketing.
Yeah, when you say marketing, can you give me a specific example? What are you doing for marketing right now? And then if they're not going to play with that, here's the one you get them on, right? Just what kind of business is it? Throw any business out at me.
Plumbing.
Plumbing. Just out of curiosity, where are you guys at in terms of top line revenue right now? Where do you want to be? Now, you have to ask that question in one sentence. You can't say, where are you at in terms of top line revenue right now? They're going to answer, go, it's none of your business. We're trying to get our vehicle wrapped, right? But if you put it all together, 99% of the time they'll give you the answer. Where are you guys at in terms of top line revenue right now? Where do you want to be? We're at 3 million, wanted to get to 5. Why do you ask? I just want to get a gauge because a lot of times it's amazing the amount of money, especially with plumbing companies, that they're paying on pay-per-click advertising. And I'm not trying to sway you one way or the other, but literally we're seeing, so one of the biggest reasons why people are coming over to us on the plumbing side, we're like $180 a click for bathroom remodel, or if it's an overnight, emergency plumbing thing. No less than 65 a click. I haven't paid 65. I'm paying 95. I'm paying 120 a click. Oh God. How much, just out of curiosity, what are you spending total with Google? It's a lot. When you say a lot, can you give me a specific example? 10,000 a month. Right? Because of the fact that you had said you're spending 10,000 a month right now, you're not getting the stuff that you want to get. You want to go from 7 million in top line revenue to 13 million, allowing you to potentially open a second van. Here's what I would like to recommend. Okay, we don't need to go overboard on this. What I would recommend is we're going to use brighter colors. We're going to use a larger font. We're going to use less information. I want to highlight the 24-hour service because those are those clicks that are costing you the most money. I want to do this strategically. Okay, I know the brand and all that's great. If it was me, I would do this strategic. Let's figure out what those most expensive clicks are. Let's do a way where we're burning that impression right into their eyes. I think you're going to find that this thing is going to pay for itself probably within the first 3 weeks, maybe a lot sooner if we can get this done wrapped right, and we can get you, as long as you're out and about and people are seeing it, every time we can get the phone to ring, as you had mentioned, $95 right there that we saved from them having to go through Google. But that's all stemming from, I wanted to reach out to you personally to make sure that because you're coming in from a high level, they're going to allow you to ask high level questions. If you call them and say, hey, I was just following up on your request for a quote, they're going to go, yeah, I wanted a quote, right? But if you're just stepping in, you're the owner of the company stepping in To make sure, I wanted to make sure my people got, no, nobody's called me back. I'm glad I called you. What can I get you information on? Right? Well, we wanted a quote on wrapping our van. What kind of van is it? Well, we're a plumbing company. Got it. Just what's your biggest reason for wanting to wrap the van? Marketing. When you say marketing, where are you guys at in terms of top line revenue for the business? Where do you want to be? A couple million a year, we'd like to double that. When you say double that, which particular types of jobs are you most interested in? This is all valid stuff for, well, why do you want to know that? Because this is what we do. That's why plumbing companies come to us. I mean, anybody can, put a wrap on the van. I want to make sure that we're not only getting attention, but that attention is converting. And ideally, I'd like to point that at the right target. If you could pick and choose, what types of leads would you like, right? And with a plumbing company, it's pretty simple. Do I want remodels? Do I want larger projects? Do I want emergency, right? Well, I'd like to have all three, okay? I just want to make sure that like the more we put on the wrap, I'm happy to do that for you. But here's the cool thing about wraps, okay? Here's what nobody's talking about. Here's a little secret that the best plumbing companies are sharing with each other, okay? These things are like your digital campaigns. We're not attempting space travel here, and it's the cost to do the wrap is insignificant compared to the revenue when the wrap is done right. And the other cool thing is we can replace this wrap. We can do a different wrap seasonally. Like if we've got a relationship going and we're hitting it out of the park with each wrap, you can literally wrap that van 2 different times a year for different types of cycles, for different things that are going on. And you can have a winter wrap and a summer wrap. There's all kinds of things that we can do. And all of a sudden, I'm like, dang, I'm glad I called you. I'm glad you called us too, right? And now it's like you're working on solving the problem versus just getting them a quote on the wrap. Because you're not charging them for anything. You're helping them get from X to X. And by the way, I'm just going to say as a guy that owned a marketing company, it's worth it to wrap the damn vehicle. Okay? I don't see him anymore and Danielle's up, but I'm not going to say the name. There's a little roofing company that went with Easton University and they're exploding with business. They wrap every one of their vehicles. Why? It freaking works.
The good ones all do.
100%. You're not selling snake oil here. You are selling a dynamite thing. We just have to figure out what their biggest reason for wanting that dynamite thing was, and then we'll get the deal. That's how we have to get off of this, well, I just want the quote. Happy to give you the quote, right? Which package were you looking to purchase? They're going to all say, I don't know. I'll be honest, I don't know.
They typically say, I want because that's how we present. We have 3 different options. They all want small or medium. Okay. They never say they want the full.
Yeah. No, it makes perfect sense.
They do. Everyone deep down, they all do. They would rather have that.
100%. And just out of curiosity, what was your biggest reason for wanting to wrap the vehicle? Marketing. When you say marketing, where are you at right now in terms of top line revenue? Where do you want to be? Now, what if you had to pick, and I know all money's good money, but if you had to pick, what types of leads would you like? And this is where you got to get a little bit knowledgeable. I know enough to be dangerous. It's not that hard. If it's plumbing, it's 24-hour. Okay, that's a different lead category. Emergency is one lead category. Restoration, like mold remediation, fire restoration is another category. And then I don't know what you call that, rehabilitation or remodel. Those are, even if you just dabbled into their world a little bit and they're like, dude, this guy gets it, right? Do you want remodel leads or do you want 24-hour leads? Right. Well, I'd like to have both. If you had to pick, which one would you pick? And the reason why I ask is I want this wrap to be skillful and effective. We have a limited amount of time with their eyeballs on the vehicle before either we're parting ways or they're crashing. I want to make sure that we're burning this. Now they're like, holy crap, I found somebody who wants to make sure that we're burning our brand into their memory. Now you've got a partner for life on this by just asking them those questions. Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.